students, good morning to all of you. I am Mr. Dharmendra Singh Yadav from Swaraj School Mandargarh. Yesterday we have learned about two models can and could. Now today we are going to learn about rest of models. So we should start our topic. So I am going to tell you about the next model. Our next model is may. Our next model is may. May means also able to. May means also able to, but may is used to express the sense of may is used to express the sense of wish, prayer, belief, faith, hope, etc. May is used to express the sense of. May is used to express the sense of wish, prayer, belief, faith, hope, etc. Such sentence are and with sign of exclamation. If there is a sign of exclamation at the end of the sentence, there we use may. It is the such sentence are end with sign of exclamation. Sign of exclamation. In such sentence, we always use may. For example, or such sentence are shows always wish, prayer, belief, faith, or a hope. You live long. You live long. This sentence shows the aspects of wish. This sentence shows the sense of a wish. So, in this sentence, we may use may. God bless you with a may God bless you. In this sentence show the sense of bless, because God bless you. In this sentence we use may. May God bless you. You prosper in your life. Prayer. This sentence shows the sense of prayer. So, in such sentence, we use may. You be happy in your life. You be happy in your life. This sentence also expresses the sense of wish. So, we use may. It is the first rule of may. Now I am going to tell you about the second rule of a may. May is used to express the sense of may is used to express the sense of purpose. For example, may is used to express the sense of a purpose. For example, we eat so that we live. In this sentence expresses the sense of purpose. So we use here may. If a sentence shows the sense of purpose, in that sentence there will be so that, and before say that there always use first form of the verb, then we use a may. She works hard so that she get good marks. She works hard. She works hard so that she get good marks. So in this sentence also express the sense of purpose. So in this sentence we use may. Now I am going to tell you about the third role of may. May is used to express the sense of permission, formal permission and possibility. Formal permission and possibility. For example, I come in, sir. I come in, sir. This sentence shows the sense of formal permission. So we use here may. Next, this sentence shows may is used to express the sense of formal permission, because formal permission and possibility. For example, may I come in, sir. This sentence shows the sense of formal permission, so we use here may. I use your dictionary. I use your dictionary. So this sentence also says the sense of a formal permission. Formal permission. Formal permission. So in this sentence we also use may. It is cloudy. It rained today. It is cloudy. It rained today. This sentence shows the sense of possibility. This sentence also says the sense of a possibility. So we use here may. So we use here may. She reached here any time. She reached here any time. This sentence shows the sense of possibility. So we use here may. This is some rules of may. May is used to express the sense of purpose. May is used to express the formal permission and a possibility. Or may is used to express the sense of wish, prayer, belief and faith. Now I am going to tell you about the Next model, which is might. 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 Use of might. Use of a might. Might is the past form. Might is the past form of may. Might is the past form of a may. It is might is used to express the might is used to express the sense of wish, prayer, bliss, faith, hope, permission in past tense. In a past tense. कि might is the past form of me. Might is past form of me. Might is used to express the sense of wish, prayer, bliss, faith, hope, permission. These sense also used in may, but which express present tense, and these words express the past tense, that we use might. For example, the old man wished that I live long. I live long. This sentence shows wish, which is the past form of wish. So in this sentence we use might, not may. She prayed that I be happy in my life. She prayed that I be happy in my life. She prayed that I might. This sentence shows the sense of pray, which is the second form of a pray. Prayed is the second form of pray. So this sentence shows the sense of a past. So in this sentence we use might. Radha wished that God bless me. In this sentence, wish, which is the past form of a wish, so in this sentence we use might. This is our first rule of might. Now I am going to tell you the second rule of a might. Second rule of a might. Might is used to express the sense of might is used to express the sense of purpose, like may, but it is used in a past tense. Might is used to express the sense of purpose. Might is used to express the sense of a purpose, like may. May is also used to express the purpose, but may is used in present tense and might is used in a past tense. For example, For example, we add so that we live. Now we see that add is the past form of it, or this sentence shows the sense of a purpose. So in this sentence we use might. So in this sentence we use might. He died so that his country survived. In this sentence is also so that, and before so that there is second form of the verb died. Died is the past form of a died. So in this sentence also express the sense of a purpose. So in this sentence we use might, not a may. This is the second rule of a might. Now I am going to tell you about the third rule of a might. Might is used to express the sense of remote possibility. Might is used to express the sense of remote possibility. Remote possibility in present tense. If there is the sense of remote possibility in present, there we do not use may, we use a might. For example, I go to the market, but I am not certain. I go to the market, but I am not certain. This sentence shows the sense of a remote possibility because he is not sure. So this sentence shows the sense of remote possibility. So in this sentence we use might. The price fall down a little. This sentence shows the price fall down a little. This sentence also shows the sense of remote possibility. So we may use here might. The sky is clear. It rain today. This sentence shows the sense of remote possibility because the sky is clear, so there is remote possibility of a rain. So this sentence also shows the sense of a remote possibility. So we use here a might. So these are some rules of may and might. Thanks. Have a nice day.